Welcome to podcast number 18 of our AI-generated news summary. Let's dive into the summaries of our top stories. Our next story is titled, Central Banks Are Increasingly Studying Bitcoin. ECB researchers have published 2 papers on Bitcoin, both of which offer strikingly different perspectives. The key insight is that Bitcoin wealth doesn't create new economic value, it just redistributes existing wealth. The Cantillon effect, named after 18th-century economist Richard Cantillon, suggests that central banks, by printing money, disproportionately enrich those closest to the money supply. Our next story is titled, Tesla billionaire Elon Musk declares financial emergency, as $35.7 trillion debt bomb primes a Bitcoin price boom to rival gold. The U.S. national debt has skyrocketed in recent years, crossing the $34 trillion mark at the beginning of 2024. Tesla chief executive Elon Musk has warned the spiraling debt has become a financial emergency. The Bitcoin price has returned to just below its all-time high. Our next story is titled, Larry Fink on Bitcoin. Larry Fink, BlackRock CEO, has significantly shifted his stance on Bitcoin over recent years. Initially a skeptic, Fink once doubted the value and viability of cryptocurrency. He now sees Bitcoin as a legitimate financial instrument, and has even labeled it digital gold. Our next story is titled, Search Microsoft December Bitcoin investment. Microsoft's upcoming shareholder meeting on December 9 to 10, 2024, will include a proposal for the company to consider investing in Bitcoin. This proposal, backed by the National Center for Public Policy Research, advocates for Bitcoin as a treasury asset to hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Proponents argue that Bitcoin, with its fixed supply, offers potential for value preservation in uncertain economic times. Microsoft's board, however, opposes the proposal, advising shareholders to vote against it. Our next story is titled, What is Ripple, XRP? Ripple is a digital payment network and protocol launched in 2012 by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb. The network uses XRP as its native cryptocurrency to enable fast, low-cost international money transfers and currency exchanges. Ripple focuses on serving banks and financial institutions by replacing traditional cross-border payment systems like SWIFT. Our next story is titled, Search BlackRock Invest in MicroStrategy. BlackRock has been increasing its stake in MicroStrategy, which has significant holdings in Bitcoin. As of early 2024, BlackRock reported owning over 1 million shares of MicroSTR strategy, representing a 7.5% ownership stake. This growth illustrates BlackRock's interest in cryptocurrency-related investments through indirect exposure to Bitcoin. This aligns with BlackRock CEO Larry Fink's recent statements on the potential of digital currencies to transform financial systems. Our next story is titled, Magnificent 7 Shakeup, Why Wall Street is Reassessing Tesla's Position and Looking Toward Netflix. Tesla's third-quarter profits jumped 17%, a dramatic turnaround after 2 quarters of declines. Strategists tell me it's still at risk of falling behind the rest of big tech due to overhyped fundamentals. Netflix has emerged as a strong contender to replace Tesla in the Magnificent 7. That concludes our AI-generated news summary for today. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for our next episode.